easy and also convenient.
安全准时，更多的商贸、文化和科研的交流。
早上在昆明吃米线，晚上在老挝喝咖啡。
The China-Laos Railway has been a hit in this region. What is it like to travel by this train and how convenient is it? What changes will it bring to people in Laos, China, and other countries? I decided to hop on the train, experience for myself, and visit some international friends along the way to explore what opportunities and possibilities the China-Laos Railway has brought to their lives under the Belt and Road Initiative.
Kunming is the capital city of southwest China's Yunnan province.
The northern end of the China-Laos Railway is also located in this beautiful spring city. As a landmark project under the BRI, the China-Laos Railway began operation in December 2021 and launched cross-border passenger service in April 2023. The 1,035-kilometer railway reduces travel time between Kunming and Vientiane to around 10 hours. Since the launch of its passenger services, the China-Laos Railway has handled over 50,000 cross-border passengers trips in 4 months.
我非常荣幸能够见证中老铁路的开通，在候车室里面，我们每天也可以看到越来越多的国际化的面孔。中老铁路的开通不仅是硬件上实现了两国人民的联通，更是给两国人民架起了座新联通的桥梁。
This is actually the departure station of the freight train between China and Laos. So these containers are loaded with goods from many Southeast Asian nations, and it takes only about 26 hours to transport them from Vientiane, the Laos capital, to here, Kunming.
我们昆明集装箱中心站呢，在中老铁路开通以后，在发送货物的运量大约是增加了20%左右。货物的种类也在不断的增加，物流成本大幅下降。以泰国为例，通过海运的话，大约在7到10天的时间。那么现在从昆明出发，最多3天左右，货物就能到达泰国。
The railway has also opened up new opportunities for many aspiring Lao youngsters.
It's the first time for me to take the train from my country to China, and it's very convenient than before. So before, because Laos is the landlocked country, but now we have the railway, so we call Laos is landlinked country. So the cooperation between Laos and China now is become better and better.
"我原来是一名翻译，因为这条路，我才开始接触铁路运输专业，对我将来的生活产生了很大的影响。
我在老挝的时候，我学习的是电力技术的专业。中老铁路开通之后，我希望未来能够帮助老挝培养更多的铁路方面的供电人才。
我们要做的就是为这条友谊之路培养第一批铁路专业师资。我相信他们带回去的不仅是铁路知识，他们也将成为由中老铁路连通的友谊使者。
So I'm now on the China-Laos Railway on my way from Kunming to Pu'er City.
Once a major station on the ancient T-Horse Road, Pu'er is now an important stop on the China-Laos Railway.
This is one of the most famous tea growing and producing areas in China. However, now Pu'er is gaining popularity because of another refreshing drink, coffee.
And it's been putting coffee trade on track with other countries involved in the joint construction of the BRI.
一带一路、中老铁路，这对我们做咖啡的也很好，所以连你这个外国的客户，我们是越来越多。从这个外国人不知道中国有咖啡，到现在认得中国有好咖啡，然后就慕名而来的越来越多。
接着中老铁路开通嘛，他们印尼的庄园过来和我们合作，然后我们直接出口到老挝，直接从港口运输，然后就直接运到印度尼西亚那边去。
Known as the kingdom of plants and animals, Xishuangbanna plays an important role in global biodiversity conservation and has a strong appeal to tourists, nature lovers, and of course, experts and researchers from many parts of the world.
I came since 2016 as a master student. China is a land of opportunity. When I came here as first, I feel like, wow, here is like huge botanical garden for tropical forest, yeah, and also like tropical flora and fauna. Like Belt and Road built the network for the many countries, yeah. So this is important. Also, like give the opportunity to many researchers to work on this.
I study very big animals, and I study how important they are for ecosystems, how is the interaction with people. This fence was really, really helpful because it allowed us to be able to have the elephants here. BRI brings leverage. You know, we can work with other countries. I'm thinking about Central Asia or Southeast Asia to build transboundary conservation projects. Mm-hmm. So then I want to see this having an overall positive impact in the future.
"中国的市场前景非常大，因为我在职业就负责的育种和研究这一方面。那么“一带一路”会增加更多的我们机会交流，让我们全世界玉米育种发展越来越好。
During my journey across Yunnan, I witnessed firsthand how the China-Laos Railway has facilitated economic and cultural exchanges, injecting new vitality into countries involved in the joint construction of the BRI. Down the railway, I also immersed myself in the vibrant coffee industry in Pu'er, where coffee serves as a bridge integrating into people's daily lives. And in Xishuangbanna, in the southernmost part of Yunnan, I was amazed by the harmonious coexistence of humanity and nature. The philosophy of people-centered growth of the BRI has left an indelible mark on my journey.